How's the weather where you are? Around here, it's looking like fall. Come take a tour of the house decorated for fall. Let's start our fall tour in the living room. The living room is decorated in blue and white, and this year, for my accent color, I decided to go with orange. Yes, y'all, orange is back for fall and I love it. I think the key to decorating with a bold color like orange is using it sparingly. You can see here in the room, I just added pops of orange here and there. There are a few faux stems on the mantle. There are faux stems in the bay window. I added a vase full of faux hydrangeas on the side table, and then I filled a large flat bowl on the other side table with blue velvet pumpkins, orange pumpkins, white pumpkins, and pine cones. Let's take one quick look at this mantle. It was so easy to create. Just scatter faux fall stems here and there. Let's continue the tour in the back of the house, starting with the kitchen. The kitchen is actually connected to this back family room, along with the laundry room and butler's pantry. And I decorated everything in the beautiful neutral colors of fall. One fun idea, if you have a hutch like this, is to layer in pumpkins. There are pumpkins of every size and shape and texture, and together they all work to create a beautiful fall vignette. The neutral theme continues throughout the kitchen with more neutral fall decor. I've added cutting boards. There are pumpkins scattered here and there. One last look at the hutch before we continue to the rest of the space. Here in the family room, I've added neutral fall decor along with more pops of red and orange. I decorated the hutch in the back of the space with white dishes and orange pumpkins and fall stems. I love how this hutch turned out. I created this display on the coffee table with a basket full of scattered faux stems. Here's one last look at the space from this angle, including the kitchen island display with pumpkins and a truck full of pine cones. And now let's head in to the back entryway. Here's the last stop on our tour, the back entryway decorated for fall. Thank you so much for joining me for my fall tour. If you have any questions about sources or anything in the home, let me know in the comments. Happy fall, y'all!